Um, if you are following my Engage network, they just rolled out a new feature. So in this video, I'll be taking you through how to connect your wallet and why you should connect your wallet as soon as possible. So let's go straight to the video. So first off, you come to your dashboard or your home page, and on your home page you are going to see no status. Under the no status, you come to verify your wallet. You click on that, then you scroll down a little bit, then you see wallet connection. So the wallet connection is basically you connecting your Web3 wallet to the website. Yes, not your exchange wallet. So you don't have to be copying any wallet address and be pasting them. You just have to initiate a contract code and just confirm everything. So let's see something. So when you put your cursor on the small zero or circle or something, just you are going to see connect your Phantom wallet to MindGate network for effortless token transaction. So they are making emphasis on the wallet you should use. That's the Phantom wallet. So I'll be using my Phantom wallet for this process. But I'm sure they are going to have another option you can choose from. So let's go ahead and click on the connect wallet. Okay, so they have another option, that's the Solflare. So you can try Solflare wallet too. So I'll be using Phantom to do the so this is my Phantom wallet. And I did try this at first, but then during the confirmation I was supposed to confirm with a wallet that has Solana in my account. So I'm going to change this to this wallet because this is the one I have Solana on. So I'll try this one instead. I'll connect this instead. So just in case you are going to confirm the wallet, make sure you have a little bit of Solana on it. So let's try confirming it so that we see the exact amount of Solana you need. Alright, so it says they are going to deduct 0.009 SOL, and this is the network fee. So 0.009 SOL. So try check how much that should be. I don't think it's that much, but then hold on. So that's it. Let me confirm, then later I'll make you. Okay, so it's verified. Okay. So let me check. I need to know the exact amount of. So that's I think it should be around $1 or something. So you just need that amount to confirm your address. Yes, you need that amount to confirm your address. So that's that for the full video. So you should know you need Solana to be able to complete this whole process. So that's that for my Engage network.